We are at Barrett Lake, the bass fishing gem of San Diego County. This place is pretty special, and I think you'll see why. We're fishing with my brother Sam. Yeah, hopefully we get a little topwater flurry. The thing about Barrett is you can fish fast, and it's a northern hybrid strain. My nose sounds ridiculous, but these northern strain bass are very aggressive. A little more aggressive. They pull a lot harder than your Florida strain, but we got hybrids in here, so they're pretty aggressive fish.
We're out here on a mostly no power boat lake today, so running with those engines, we kind of just burn past everybody back to the good stuff and get the juice.
Do you know about the juice?
Yeah. I mean, look at how juicy this place looks.
Ira, do you know what juice is?
We're gonna find out today what the juice is.
We had the ChatterBait, our buddy jig here, just getting kind of stuck up in that, so we fired another cast out across the weed line, raised our rod tip up a little bit to keep that ChatterBait in that 6 to 12 inches of water, and the fish just shot right up out of the grass, slurped it up. Should be a few more in there.
Little stock bass. It's a nice little fish. Pulled it right out of the sticks, came right through those sticks and deflected off those stick ups and bang. These northern strain bass pull so hard, man. The thing hit like a ton of freaking bricks, dude. I kind of bumped myself right into position on this chunk rock right here. Landed a cast up real shallow and thing just smoked that chatterbait. Oh, they're up real dirt shallow up against this chunk rock. Healthy fish. Cast is a little off. They want it like right up in that stuff.
Oh, big. Oh.
Yeah, Sam.
Oh, it's not that big, it's just fighting really hard. 4 pounder though. Dude, this one's fat.
So we're kind of out here on the zone that's a lot of big chunk rock, and we're kind of have this intermittent grass and these thin stick ups here, and these fish are kind of just sitting on the outside edge or on the inside edge right up along the bank or right on the outside of this kind of tree line here, and they're just sitting here waiting to ambush these little bluegills swimming by. So another reason why we're fishing that green pumpkin colored JackHammer chatterbait right there. Just imitates those little bream and those little bluegills just kind of swimming on by these stick ups here. And those bigger quality fish really like to kind of sit out here off that outside ledge or in the trough in between those stick ups in the bank and just sit here and ambush those brim as they swim on by. So they get real fat like this one here.